Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz and another product in from Banggood, and this is the C9-DV wearable mini camera. You can use this in multiple ways. You can use it as a personal camera, you can use it on your bike as a mount, you can stick it on your helmet, you can use it as a home camera. Pretty portable and humanised if you like, it's small. So you have 1080p video, HD battery, 180 minutes, full charge, night vision, 3 hours, working time and capture, motion detection and external TF card. And on the back it's model C9-DV, sensor CMOS. Video resolution is 1920 by 1080, 90 degrees angle. Photo 4032 by 3024, JPEG, night vision. It has invisible infrared LEDs, motion detection, and that's really it. So there's a lot of stuff on it there. Invisible IR lights, rechargeable battery, mini size, you can get accessories, and there's a back clip to clip it onto yourself. So let's go ahead and have a look and see what it's all about. So there's our charging cable there, micro USB, your instruction booklet, which has some English, yes. So on the front of the tellers you've got your lens, your mic, your port, your reset key, and so on. Confirmation K1 and mode K2. So this is not Bluetooth or Wi-Fi enabled. So this has auto record and there's one button touch on it as well to activate. And you've got open and close night vision, and you can modify the rest. So that's really about it on that. So your class, you'd need a class 10 card, maximum support is 64 gigs, just to keep that in mind. And you have different indicator modes. You have warm prompt, you have working mode switching, your full-time video mode, timing capture mode, and motion detection video mode. So a lot of stuff going on for a small piece. And here it is here. And here's our USB port here and our micro SD slot underneath. You've got your buttons here. And this will just slide out. And that's it. So this is if you want to wear it personally or wherever else. Or you can stick it anywhere you like in the house if you want as well. It's pretty portable and can work in more than just one way. So what we'll do is we'll get it set up and come back to you with some clips and so on and a full review. Any questions, hit us up, techbuzzoireland.com. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.